Hello everyone, welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something special to talk about that can truly elevate your kitchen experience. We're diving into the Fapully Pull Down LED Faucet for kitchen sink, and we'll explore all the features that make it stand out from the crowd. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more reviews and home improvement tips. Let's get started. The Fapully Pull Down Kitchen Faucet with Sprayer and LED light. This faucet is built in 3 different finishes, which gives it a pretty classy look. The highlight feature of this Fapully kitchen faucet is the LED lighting. These lights require no batteries as they are controlled by the flow of water. They are primarily useful for protecting people, especially young people, from extreme hot or cold water as the faucet changes color with temperature. The pull-down sprayer ensures good sink coverage so you can reach the hard-to-reach areas of the sink and clean it thoroughly. Cleaning faucets and valves is also not much of a hassle. You can easily wipe dirt off the valve with a cloth on an almost daily basis. The construction faucet is built to last and its design is clear. Here are some of the specific features I love about the Fapully Pull Down LED Faucet for kitchen sink. LED design. LED kitchen faucet has many built-in generating electricity devices. No need for batteries. As long as the water flows, it will give out light. Turn off the water and the light goes out immediately. The color of LED lights changes automatically via water temperature. Protect your family from cold water and hot water, especially elderly people and children. Providing quality and design from there, the sprayer and the spout have their separate control. A quick squeeze of the handle to spray the sprayer and a quick twist of the dial to turn on the tap, and both can be on at the same time. The sprayer arm has lots of mobility when it's unclipped. The clip is easy to use. Popping the sprayer in and out of it can be done with one hand, no problem. Simple to use, this one-handle kitchen faucet gives you the convenience of adjusting the water volume and temperature with a single control. The Hayek kitchen faucet features smooth extending and retracting action and can swivel a full 360 degrees, making it perfect for both single and double basin sinks. Healthy quality solid brass construction does not worry. Lead black kitchen faucet made up of food-grade PEX inner hoses provides you with fresh and clean water. Enjoy your healthy utility sink faucet. Space-saving black kitchen sink faucet with a pretty crossbar design offers you more kitchen space for cloth or other little kitchen things. It brings more help to the kitchen, not just a faucet for kitchen sink. I can tell you about the key features of the Pull Down LED Faucet. Temperature sensing LED light. This innovative faucet features an LED light that changes color based on the water temperature, helping you avoid cold or hot surprises. Blue indicates cold water, green signifies warm, red means hot, and flashing red warns of scalding temperatures. Pull-down sprayer for enhanced reach. The pull-down sprayer extends and swivels for effortless cleaning of large pots, pans, and hard-to-reach corners of your sink. Single handle control for easy operation. A single handle conveniently controls both water flow and temperature, making it user-friendly for everyone. Durable construction for lasting use. Made from high-quality materials like lead-free brass and a rust-resistant finish, this faucet is built to withstand the demands of everyday kitchen use. Modern and stylish design. The sleek and contemporary design of this faucet complements any kitchen decor. Here are some Fapully Pull Down LED Faucet for kitchen sink pros and cons. Pros: temperature sensing LED light, pull down sprayer for enhanced reach, single handle control for easy operation, durable construction for lasting use, modern and stylish design. Cons: potentially higher cost, battery or power source dependence. Ultimately, the Pull Down LED Faucet offers innovative features and a stylish design, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons and consider your specific needs and budget before making a decision. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or if you've already tried the Fapully pull down LED Faucet for kitchen sink. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading.